The photography world is on high alert again, and this time, all eyes are on Sony. Rumors, code numbers, and even a few early lens leaks have sparked massive speculation. Multiple sources are now confirming what might be the biggest Sony announcement of the year, expected between mid-November and early December. At the heart of it all is the long-awaited Sony A7V, and possibly a brand new E-mount lens that could reshape Sony's full-frame ecosystem. The big question is, will this be the game-changing upgrade creators have been waiting for? Or just another minor refresh wearing a new badge? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Leaks suggest a new image sensor, major autofocus and video upgrades, and even an all-new lens lineup to go with it. But as always with Sony, the details are wrapped in tight secrecy. So in today's video, we're breaking down everything we know so far, what's confirmed, what's rumor, and what it could mean for photographers and filmmakers heading into 2026. This is your first look at the upcoming Sony A7V and the new E-mount lens, and trust me, this could be the most exciting Sony release in years. Let's get into it. The photography world is on high alert. Rumors, code numbers, early lens chatter. All signs point to a major announcement from Sony this coming autumn, and many insiders are calling it the biggest Sony announcement between mid-November and early December. At the heart of this buzz is the long-anticipated A7V, or what many believe will be its next generation or complementary model. And alongside it, whispers of a new lens that could shift the E-mount ecosystem significantly. The central question on everybody's mind: is this launch going to be a game-changer for professionals, creators, enthusiasts alike, or will it be a high-visibility but incremental update? In this video, we'll unpack all the leaks, debate the credibility of what we know so far, and consider what this might mean for photographers planning their gear investments in 2026. To appreciate the potential significance of this upcoming launch, it helps to look back at where the A7 series currently stands. Sony's A7 line has long been its backbone in the full-frame mirrorless category, offering a balance of stills and video capabilities, a broad lens ecosystem, and a large user base. The current generation, A7 IV, remains widely used for its hybrid performance, excellent value, and the strength of Sony's E-mount lens system. But it's now been several years since that model's release, and in the fast-moving world of mirrorless systems, several years starts to feel long. The conversation has shifted, sensors have improved, autofocus systems are smarter, and video workflows demand higher bit rates or new codecs. Meanwhile, other brands have ramped up pressure. Canon, Nikon, and even newer entrants haven't stood still. In short, the photography world is expecting Sony to deliver something meaningfully new, not just A7 IV with a new badge. And the leaks we're seeing, about a new lens and a timing window between mid-November and early December, suggest Sony may believe the same. Let's dig into what the rumors and leaks are telling us. While none of this is yet officially confirmed by Sony, multiple reputable sources appear to converge on key details. According to a recent leak from the site Sony Alpha Rumors, an announcement is 100% confirmed and expected between mid-November and early December of 2025. The same leak mentions the code registration of the A7V or successor in Indonesia under the code WW824259.